Good day, all you beautiful people. Ni hao, my Chinese brothers, Chinese, Malaysian, Singaporean. I had many Malaysian friends at Michigan Tech, some of the most beautiful people, one like Moni Roy or Melania Trump. You know, Melania Trump comes from MT, Michigan Tech, as also Michelle Obama, two floaters. But coming to the point, see, this is another whistleblower episode like Edward Snowden and Julian Assange. Julian Assange was stupid and ass who took shelter in Ecuadorian embassy when they came up with so many criminal charges from Sweden and Britain and even America against him. He should have gone to Russia to protect himself. You know, Russia or a similar country. I don't like probably China maybe. China wouldn't although cooperate because it has so much business with the U.S. Investment as well as business. It's primary supplier. But coming to the point, what I'm saying is, United States of America cannot really deny any person a right to enter the country on tourist visa if they can show proof of funds or even for business or pleasure or study, because it has the United Nations over there. So basically, you can tell them that either kick UN out, like send them to Geneva or some like UNESCO, wherever UNESCO is located, like Switzerland, a neutral third-party country, or allow people from every country into your country. You cannot discriminate on the basis of race, religion, and even like economic standing. People like if you are talented enough, you can make money in a higher wage country. It's started raining really hard. You know, my tin, like Putin, Vladimir Putin, and Jinping. Funny thing, I had accident at age 16. There's some marks on my wrist and back of the palm, like crucifix marks. At age 16, so instead of in tin plate, so instead of T, it becomes P, ping. At age T, I went to US via UK. But anyways, my city is also called Tata, symbol T. United States cannot refuse entry to people from all the nations in the world recognized in the UN. And also, another thing is, their foreign department is called the State Department when the country is called United States. So if the US politically and really illegal per UN law considers the entire UN or the world as its territory, and Department of State oversees Department of Homeland Security and US Citizenship and Immigration Services, you can easily say, okay, you are considering the entire world as your state, so why deny me visa? Narendra Modi is a very famous case who was denied visa several times by United States just because some Muslims and probably Christians put a case against him for the Godhra riots. I mean, come on, like you cannot hold, like say, George Bush. Why didn't you hold George Bush accountable or responsible for criminal negligence and like homicide 3,000 times or more for the World Trade Center fiasco? You know, 3 World Trade Centers came down, like 127, like my birth year, 1279, and I was a transfer student who was held in India, and some guy charged me twice for the $500 his relative had lent me. He took from my parents and also from me and spread false rumors that I was rusticated from the college when it wasn't so. And they had detained me in India and didn't let me board the flight from KLM for 2 days. And had me pay extra 3,500 and hotel and then go via Bombay that year. So after I returned to US, after on the 14th day, like my address 1400 Townsend, you know, for college, the World Trade came down 1-2 by the planes, Twin Towers, twin and transfer, and you know, in York, RK for RKS, my initials, and also my there were 2 Rakesh involved, like my friends who got me to come to India that year. Otherwise I wouldn't have. I went for Rakesh, you know, and got stuck. But anyways, what I'm saying is, United States of America cannot deny entry. So Narendra Modi can take legal action, I think, and as a Prime Minister of the largest democracy in the world with 1.4 billion people, which has produced like such guys like Satya Nadella and my namesake Sundar Rajan Pichai. I'm handsome, and you know, Rajan Singh. Singh also means Rajan, Rajan also means Singh, and Kumar means Rajkumar, Prince. So cannot deny visa. Indira Gandhi was actually fierce in that she had even kicked out Coca-Cola, and thanks to her we got Thumbs Up, which tastes better than Coke. It's an Indian invention, and then it got acquired by Coca-Cola. I love Thumbs Up. Thumbs Up tastes the thunder. My maternal grandpa is called Lightning, Thunder. So whenever there's lightning, usually there is Thunder Blast. So guys, you can hold USCIS accountable. Again, there are lawsuits, class action for all the denied visas, and I'm sure Narendra Modi should take diplomatic and political actions commensurate to the stature of his office of Gujarat. 79 gold. I'm birth here 79, and UN year of the child is 79, and 1979 is gold. 79 atomic number, and 197 the atomic weight. So Goldman Sachs pretty much runs the world, and as the Prime Minister of a free world, he should really hold US accountable. If US is denying visa, my travel document got denied. I'm a US asylee. I got asylum, but they denied my travel document, and then that's why Trump didn't get re-elected.